Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, we will want to open up our settings, and here navigate to the very bottom where you will find System, and then select Reset Options. You want to select Erase All Data Factory Reset and give it a moment. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. It also mentions that the Google account will be signed out. So we're just going to select Erase All Data, and then make sure that we want to do this, as all the data will be deleted. So we're going to select again Erase All Data, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about probably 2 minutes closer to finish up, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. Now I do have a SIM card in my device, so I'm going to quickly take it out. So there we go. So this should disappear any moment now. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.